Now we are discussing about electrical services. In that, today we are discussing about mobile repairs. Nowadays, everyone is using mobiles, so general repairs also will come. Generally, for regular mobiles also, power connection problems, earphones, requirement of new batteries, mic and receiver failures, mobile covers requirements will be there. And nowadays, especially for mobile repairs, software virus is coming. So they have to format the mobile, and then again they should install the mobile again. So with the required software, that is Redmi mobiles will have one type of software, and the Samsung mobiles will have another type of software. According to the branded companies, the repairs also will be deviated into mobile repairs also. Samsung, Redmi, Nokia, likewise they are giving. If Nokia mobile is disturbed, means if you go to Nokia shop, they will format your hard disk, and they will hard disk of your mobile, and they will install again the new software. Likewise, now it is happened to me also regarding the Redmi mobiles. So nowadays, so much variations has come, and mobile repairs are going very innovative. Next point is, for starting a mobile phone repairs, you should get a training in mobile repairs. In cities, so many training shops are there. It will be around 3 months. Now, in olden days, mobile repairing centers are there. Nowadays, not likewise. Companies itself, Samsung mobiles and Reliance mobiles, they are having their own manpower. They are recruiting. They are giving training, and they are giving certifications, and they are going and installing their mobile service repair centers. So likewise, changes are coming. Once you get a proper training, then you can start in this business. My suggestion is primary level. If repairs comes first, go to plug and play works only. Then for the time being, gaining your experience, you can go deeper one by one. And next point is, with repairs, you will not get substantial income. You should put accessories also for sale. So only for mobile repairs you cannot survive, because mobile repairs also will come charges very well, but it is not sufficient to live. So we have to go for accessories. If you purchase accessories, that means earphones and screen guards and all these. Accessories, if you sell, you will get comfortable income. With repairs, the next point is mobile repairs. You can get good income according to the shop in the market. If it runs well, it is very good business. Minimum you can earn not less than 20,000 per month after going all the regular expenses. And one thing is also there, nowadays every mobile repairer is installing his business details in Google Business. In that, if anyone is nearer to his town and mobile repairs, if he types in the list, his registered business also will come in. By that, in online only, everything is going on. So the service engineer will come to your home, and he will collect the phone, and they will say some basics, and he will get back his mobile to his repair shop, and after repair it will come to his home. Likewise, it is going on. So it is a very good change nowadays. And next point is 8 important tips for cell phone repair techniques. You should have all the necessary tools while dismantling, replacing all the services back. Always keep the work area neat and clean. All the space should be available. Keep the SIM card and memory card of the customer safely. Ensure that the data of the customer is secure, and take assistance from your friend. And next point is, what is mobile repairing? The course includes generations of mobile phones, components used in mobile handsets, mobile phone hardware troubleshooting, water damage, hang, charging problems, network problems, power failure, keypad problems, etc. Installation of software, flashing, uses of secret codes, PC-based diagnostic tools. And the next point is it worth repairing a mobile phone? In most cases, an affordable screen repair can extend your device life by several months. Repairing a device instead of replacing it means that you will be able to enjoy your current smartphone while newer tech is being developed and released. Next point is, does a cracked screen affect your phone? Phones with broken screens will not get any better over time. Damaged phone screens are also susceptible to finger oils, dust and debris working their way inside the cracks, which can further damage the phone through time. And next point is how much margin does a mobile phone have? But an equally important part of the jigsaw in the fact selling used mobile phones tends to deliver a better profit margin than new due to high RRPs and tight control of the wholesale and retail markets by big name manufacturers. Vendors are lucky to get margins of above 3 to 5% on sales of new mobile phones. And next point is mobile accessories business profitable? At present, steel processing, mobile phone accessories business and clothing businesses are some profitable and highly sought after businesses. This is the information regarding mobile repairs. Nowadays, mobile repair are also so advanced and it is very good by company wise, branded wise. Company repairs are coming. It is also good to all. Wishing you all the best.